Top gardening tips for beginners. Prep your garden for spring. After a long winter, it's the ideal opportunity for a genuine cleanup. To begin with, rake up sticks from the yard, eliminate leaves and trash from your planting beds, and cut back any dead perennials. Trim broken branches on bushes, yet don't get too anxious to even consider pruning them into shape. Numerous kinds of bushes, for example, hydrangeas, don't bud out until pre-summer, so you could accidentally cut off new development or blossom buds. Hold up until your bushes begin to green up. At that point, shape them and eliminate dead branches. Get familiar with your USDA hardiness zone so you'll realize what blossoms and vegetables will thrive in your general vicinity. Annuals are planted each year, so it doesn't make a difference for them. Be that as it may, perennials and bushes should be fit to your particular zone. You likewise don't have any desire to place anything in the ground too early. For instance, peas ought to be planted when the soil is cool and right on time to mid-spring. Yet, heat darlings, for example, tomatoes and peppers can be planted until the soil heats up in pre-summer, else you hazard presenting them to late ice. Great soil is the thing that each garden needs. How might you tell if your soil is good? It should feel brittle and have the option to hold water when wet. That is, it's not weighty earth or sandy, and a small bunch of damp soil can be crushed into a ball. You can improve the soil by including alterations. For example, fertilizer. Plant vegetables in containers. Vegetables are inconceivably fun and compensating to develop, yet ensure you have the correct conditions. They need full sun, which implies at least 6 hours of direct daylight consistently. On the off chance that you don't have a bright spot in your yard, plant vegetables in containers on your radiant deck or porch. Start with veggies that are anything but difficult to develop for beginners. For example, lettuce, spinach, shrub beans, cherry tomatoes, and spices, for example, parsley, thyme, and basil. To draw in butterflies, decide on blossoms. Other than adding magnificence to your garden, blossoms give the environment to our contracting pollinator populaces and draw in butterflies and winged animals. Your vegetable garden additionally needs honeybees and other advantageous bugs to taste the nectar and move dust around so your plants will yield. Sprinkle simple to develop annuals, for example, marigolds, violas, and nasturtiums with your edibles. Reward. These blossoms' petals are eatable as well. Gain proficiency with a couple of fundamental gardening procedures. Much the same as us, plants need water and food. Watering by hand with a watering can or hose is fine. Soak the territory until the water starts to pool. At that point, stick your finger an inch into the soil to check whether it's wet. If not, water until it is. It's likewise useful to mulch your garden or pots, since mulch holds dampness and forestall weeds. At long last, feed your plants with fair natural manure as indicated by name directions. Search for 555 or 333 on the name, which alludes to the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. Get some espresso and do some early daytime weeding. It's far simpler to stay aware of things when you don't let it turn crazy. The equivalent goes for your garden beds. Weeds vie for water and supplements with the plants you do need. Go for a walk through your garden at regular intervals or meander around for a couple of moments with your morning espresso and pull weeds as they show up. Put your garden to sleep for fall. After the primary ice, eliminate dead plants. Try not to compost whatever was ailing. Clean garden devices with an Antero 1-section dye and 10 sections water to murder any possible infections in them that can be moved to your garden 1 year from now. Spread some manure over the top of your vegetable garden to disintegrate over the winter. In cooled atmospheres, take care of your hoses and dirt posts so that they won't be harmed for frigid temperatures.